Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll simplify this difference quotient expression. So as you can see, this expression is in the form of a fraction. So in the numerator, we have a fraction 1 over 1 plus h minus 1, and in the denominator, we just have an h. Now in order to simplify this expression, we cannot do anything in the denominator because it's just an h. We can combine the terms here. Now 1 has a denominator 1, so we can combine these terms by finding a common denominator. And the common denominator here will be 1 plus h. So we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 1 plus h. So the first fraction stays the same, 1 over 1 plus h, and then minus 1 plus h over 1 plus h. So 1 times 1 plus h is 1 plus h, and then in the denominator 1 times 1 plus h is also equal to 1 plus h over h. Now we can subtract these two fractions because they have the common denominator. So in the numerator we get 1 minus 1 plus h, and then close the parentheses over 1 plus h, which is the common denominator, over h. Now we can simplify the expression at the top by distributing this negative into the parentheses. So both terms get multiplied by negative 1. So we get 1 minus 1 minus h over 1 plus h over h. Now we can simplify the expression in the numerator by cancelling out the negative 1 and 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So they cancel each other out. So we are left with negative h over 1 plus h over h. Now we can simplify this expression. So here this fraction in the numerator, negative h over 1 plus h, is being divided by h. So here we can first write it into a division statement. Divided by h. Because in the given expression, h is in the denominator on its own. Now we can change it into a multiplication statement. So we can do that by flipping h. Now the denominator of h is 1. So when we flip this fraction times, so we get 1 over h. Now we have to multiply these fractions. So we multiply the numerator terms and we multiply the denominator terms. So in the numerator we do negative h times 1, which is equal to negative h, over in the denominator we do 1 plus h times h, which we write separately. We do not combine these terms. So we keep the terms in the denominator separate because we are able to cancel out the h from the numerator and the denominator. And that leaves us with just negative 1 in the numerator over 1 plus h in the denominator. So this is the simplified form of this given difference quotient expression. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.